Hi, everybody. It's Monica with American English with Monica. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Last week, I was sick. I still made a video, but I was really feeling run down, which was the phrasal verb we discussed. I just used it as an adjective, but if you want to know more about how to use run down as a phrasal verb, an adjective, and a noun, go back to last week's video and watch it. I'm making a new video every week, and if you missed any videos in the past, just go to the channel and watch them. That would be awesome. I hope these videos are helpful. I'm also really glad that people are commenting and asking questions and asking for clarification. It's so awesome. I'm glad these videos are helpful. So I'm feeling better this week, and I have a really fun phrasal verb today. It's fun because there's so many different meanings, and they all are different, but they all can be separated, which makes it nice. Some phrasal verbs you can separate, and some you cannot. All of these examples, all of these meanings can be separated. You ready? Take out. To take out someone or to take out something. This is a phrasal verb with 5 different meanings. 5. And actually, there's a few more, but I kind of combined some meanings. All of them can be separated, like I said. So let me give you some examples, okay? Let's get started. To take out something means to remove, okay? To remove. That is one meaning. So please take out that sentence from your email before you send it. Delete the sentence. Remove the sentence. Please take out the trash. Take the seeds out of the fruit before you eat it. So you can separate it. Take the trash out. Take those sentences out. So you can separate this phrasal verb to remove something. Okay? We will specify whether it's something or someone because they're different meanings. The next meaning to tell you about is about buying food at a restaurant and eating it somewhere else. Okay, I want to take out some sandwiches and go to the park and eat them. I want to take out food on Friday and eat at home with my friends. Now, it is a phrasal verb to take out, to buy food from a restaurant and eat it somewhere else. But we often use it as a noun instead. It's just faster to say, I want some takeout. It's a noun. It means I want some food from a restaurant that I will eat somewhere else. Okay? But to buy food, to buy restaurant food, food from a restaurant and eat it somewhere else. And take it somewhere else, okay? And eat elsewhere. That's a long meaning, long definition. But sometimes this is good to know. If you're in a restaurant, I'm going to use America as an example. If you order food on the phone or at the counter, they might say, is it for takeout? And you need to know that means you want to bring it elsewhere. Some restaurants have 3 options. Some restaurants you can order food and eat in the restaurant. You can get takeout, or you can get delivery, which is different. The restaurant will deliver the food to your office or to your home. Those are 3 options, and you need to know that if you're calling a restaurant and asking about a food order. Okay, the third meaning is to take someone out. And that means you have some plans you've made for maybe something fun, and you want to take out a person to go do these plans. Like, She took out her whole family to the movies. The boss likes to take out employees for lunch when they start. Sometimes take out a person is a romantic date, right? She took out her friend for a lovely romantic dinner. Okay, so it's to have plans, and then usually they're planned in advance, and it's to have like a date or a meal together. It doesn't have to be romantic. Okay, so if your boss says, I want to take you out for lunch, I don't want you to think it's a romantic thing. It might be a professional thing. Okay, so let's see. I wrote a note to do something, to go somewhere and do something fun with someone. It's kind of a long definition, but to go somewhere with someone. And I'm going to write in parentheses fun, because usually it's casual, right? You're not going to take someone out to a meeting. It's boring. Okay. The fourth meaning, which I sort of combined, it's two meanings in one, because is to withdraw money from the bank. I need to take out some money this weekend, and you can separate it. I need to take some money out of my bank account. So we're going to put to withdraw money. I need some money to withdraw money from a bank. Now, the opposite of withdraw is to deposit. If you're putting money into the bank, that's different. But if you need to take it out, you need some money in your pocket, you're going to take out money. The other meaning is when you enter an agreement, you make an arrangement with a business. I was thinking about this, like at a bank, if you take out a loan or you take a mortgage out to help buy your house, or maybe you need to take out a loan to start a business. But you can also take out things like take out an advertisement, right? We need a new employee in our office, so I will take out an ad in the newspaper. For those of you who are new to the channel, I teach business English. Okay, my business is called American English with Monica. I have private students. All of them are professionals. So a lot of my examples, I think about a workplace or an office, in case you're wondering. Okay. So to withdraw money or to arrange with a business for a loan or an advertisement or a life insurance policy, you can take out a life insurance policy to arrange with a business. Certain things to arrange with a business. The last one is to destroy. Usually this is a person. To take out someone, destroy, injure, or kill. So you might hear this in the movies when there is organized crime and criminals. They want to kill someone. They might say, we need to take him out, right? The criminal took out his enemy. But we also use this with injuries that aren't intentional, right? If someone is planning to kill someone, to murder someone, to take out someone, it's intentional. But sometimes accidents and injuries happen that takes out people from their expected life. For example, professional athletes, right? So the injury happened at the game and she was taken out for the season. She had to miss the whole season because she was injured. Okay. So destroy, injure a person. If someone is taken out, it might be intentional. It might be by accident from an injury. So these are 5+ meanings I wanted to tell you about. I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for watching. I'm so glad you're learning. We do phrasal verbs every week, and every 10 weeks, I make a free study guide and I put the PDF in the comments. So this was a little long lesson, a little bit longer than my usual videos because there were so many meanings I wanted to tell you about. Please like and subscribe and share, right? There are a lot of English learners out there, and there are a lot of wonderful teachers online. And I really love making these videos. And the more people you share it with, the more people I can help. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you next week. Bye.